Hey guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing flower pots. They literally grow your food with no human intervention. The only thing I do is I come out and I look at them and I supplement once a week. And every time I get food from these plants. This is spinach. All we did was drop our seeds into this spinach planter and it grew our food. I would say growing about 3 feet tall right about now. It's beautiful. It's got all the elements of a healthy plant. These torpedo pots, they grow your food. Last year we grew in these planters 11 pounds of lettuce, but now we're doing spinach. We wanted to show you because, well, they're stunning. Torpedo pot grows your food. You will never ever do without food again in your life if you trust Torpedo Pot. All running off of one spigot. How do you like that? And it keeps on giving. It doesn't stop. Look at the different types of arrays of designs and colors and shapes that plants grow. They're so amazing and they're so gorgeous. But what's saying about it is that they're so abundant. Look how abundant that is. I've never seen anything like grow in the ground like that before in my life. Spinach. Can you get spinach to grow like that in the ground? Of course not. But Torpedo Pot can. Torpedo Pot is the world's first self-growing planter. You walk up to it, you put your seeds and your plants in, and it literally grows your food for you. I can safely say from one end of the spinach, or down here being the longest, to the further end, this thing has got to be at least 16 feet tall. I would say about maybe 12, 15 foot tall. That's amazing. And they're so gorgeous. Just look at the blossoms on these plants. Isn't that amazing? And they're all working together to give unparalleled beauty. Torpedo Pot grows your food for you. All you do is throw your seeds in a planter and your plants in a planter and you let them grow. And they do a fine job. It changes your whole environment. You can turn the wickedest place in the world into something absolutely beautiful. I think I'm going to create an arch and connect both of those on the top. What do you think? Dara Addison, torpedopot.com.